Okay, so if you've been scrolling through your phone's app store, you have almost certainly seen it. The Blockify Elimination game.
Oh, yeah. Big promises, right.
Yeah.
Easy money just for playing a game.
Exactly. And that's what we're digging into today. We want to know if those claims, the financial rewards, are actually for real.
So we're taking a close look at an investigation from the YouTube channel X-Guide.
Mhm.
They really tried to get to the bottom of it. Our mission here is to see if you can actually cash out.
And we should just say it right up front because this is the core finding, really.
Yeah.
They found very, very little evidence that reliable cash outs are happening.
That's really the starting point for this whole thing. I mean, when the X-Guide team went looking for hard proof, concrete, verified examples of real people making real withdrawals,
There was nothing.
a glaring deficit, just nothing there.
And that silence, that's what's so interesting because it points directly to how these games actually work, right? The source highlighted two big missing pieces.
Mm.
First, there were just no solid user reviews showing actual successful withdrawals.
Right. And it's not just about individual reviews.
Hmm.
Think about it. If a game was really paying out thousands of dollars, there'd be a community around it.
There'd be forums, social media groups.
Exactly. People would be buzzing,
Uh-huh.
sharing screenshots of their payout proof. And for Blockify specifically, that community chatter just isn't there. And that absence is probably the strongest proof you're going to get.
So we're moving from just a red flag to like a giant flashing warning sign.
Yeah.
Because this lack of proof, it isn't just a Blockify problem. It connects to a much bigger, more common trick.
It's a whole category of apps. This
Mhm.
isn't an outlier. The source mentioned similar games, like I think it was the Easy Time Block Crush.
And they use the same strategy?
The exact same playbook. Lure you in, make it look really easy to earn money at the beginning.
Right, I've seen this. You rack up credit super fast, you get so close to the withdrawal threshold, and then boom!
It just drops off a cliff. Suddenly what took you an hour to earn might take you, what, a week or more?
It's such a gut punch, and it plays on that sunk cost fallacy,
Of course. You've already watched hundreds of ads. You've spent hours playing the game.
You feel like you have to keep going, that the payout is just around the corner.
But it probably isn't. So X-Guide's conclusion, and it's a logical one, is that without that verifiable proof, it is safest to assume the game is, and I'm quoting here, more about showing ads than paying its users.
So what's the verdict for anyone listening right now who's thinking about trying it just to see?
Look, the verdict is high risk. The actionable advice is pretty clear. If you want to download it, fine.
But treat it just as a game.
Exactly. Treat it as a simple block game. Something for fun. Do not go in thinking it's a legitimate side hustle.
Don't invest a ton of time counting on a payout that's probably never coming.
You can't. The source's final warning really says it all for this whole genre of app. Buyer or player beware.
And that phrase just sums it all up, really.
It really does. I mean, the main takeaway from all this is you have to look for that verified payout proof before you invest your time. Your time is valuable. That's what these apps are monetizing.
Which brings us to the question we kind of want to leave you with. Let's say you spend 3-4 hours playing one of these games, chasing a dollar you will never get.
Mm-hmm. And you're watching all their ads the whole time.
Right. You've essentially paid the developer with your attention if you actually calculated the value of the time you wasted.
Did you end up paying them without even realizing it?
Something to think about next time an app promises easy money.